This might be one of the most technical and intimidating codes your car can throw at you because it deals directly with the brain of your vehicle. And if you are seeing code P062F, it means your car's computer is admitting that its own memory is failing, which can cause some wild problems. So let's break down what P062F actually means. Technically speaking, it stands for Internal Control Module, EEPROM error, where the EEPROM is a specific type of memory chip inside your Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, that acts as the long-term memory of your car's brain, storing crucial data that needs to be saved even when the car is turned off. So when the PCM runs a self-test and finds that the data on this chip does not match what it expects, or if it cannot read and write to that memory correctly, it sets this code, which applies to almost any modern vehicle, from a Buick or Chevy to a Toyota or Mercedes. And this is severe because if the computer cannot rely on its own memory, it cannot trust the decisions it makes about fueling, shifting, or timing, leading to symptoms that can range from barely noticeable to a car that is completely undrivable, such as a no-start condition, the engine stalling out unexpectedly at a stoplight, harsh transmission shifting, reduced fuel economy, or even weird electrical gremlins, like cooling fans that will not turn on because the PCM controls almost everything, causing the symptoms to be random, while the causes are often tricky, ranging from a physically defective PCM due to water damage or excessive heat, to simply low battery voltage. Because if the battery was weak or died while the computer was trying to write to its memory, it can corrupt the data, or even a bad power relay or a blown fuse supplying the PCM can trigger this. So to troubleshoot this, you need a digital multimeter and a scan tool, starting with checking your battery to ensure it is fully charged and holding a load. Since a weak battery is the #1 suspect for computer glitches, then clear the code and see if it comes back immediately. And if it does, you need to check the power and ground circuits going to the PCM using your multimeter to ensure the computer is getting full battery voltage and has a solid connection to the chassis ground, while looking for any signs of water intrusion on the computer's connectors. And if the wiring is good, the battery is strong, and the code persists, you are likely dealing with a failed PCM. But here is the catch: you usually cannot just swap in a used part, because most modern engine computers need to be programmed or flashed to your specific vehicle's VIN number, which often requires dealership-level equipment. So if you confirm the wiring is good, this is usually the point where you will need a professional shop that handles module programming to finish the repair.